While several nations are taking part in the Tokyo Olympics, Russia's flag is missing. Now, there are 335 Russian athletes taking part in the Tokyo Olympics, but they cannot use their country's name, their country's flag, or their anthem. And the reason is that they are taking part in the Tokyo Olympics under the name ROC, which stands for Russian Olympic Committee. Now, the reason for this is that Russia has been banned from the Tokyo Olympics. Now, this has been going on for many years, that whistleblowers and investigators had been constantly accusing Russia of running a very sophisticated doping program, which eventually forced international federations from banning Russia from taking part in any sort of an international athletic meet. It was in 2019 that the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA, banned Russia from taking part in international events, and these included the Tokyo Olympics and the FIFA World Cup. Russia's initial ban was for 4 years. But in 2020, this ban was reduced to 2 years. But even then, Russia can still not take part in any WADA sanctioned event until the sanctioned ban period is over. So this means that Russia is out of the 2020 Summer Olympics, they're out of the Paralympics in Tokyo, as well as the Winter Olympics in Beijing. It's not only that they cannot take part in any sort of an international meet, but they also cannot host any sporting event whose governing body is registered with the WADA during this ban period. Now, this ban on Russian athletes basically means that they cannot use their country's name, flag, or anthem. The current athletes which are taking part in the Tokyo Olympics are competing under the name ROC, which is Russian Olympic Committee.